take the only report table name so that we can take the same data. I can click here on the region. Here from you can take the data training master. Okay. I come here, click the page, and then select interactive grid report. Okay. I'm creating an interactive grid report. IGR. Okay. So I'm not including any form because this is not required here in the interactive grid report. Okay. I'm just putting the table name, what we get from that table so that we can show the same data. All things are same. I think this will work. Okay. So this report is being prepared. Now the same data. We take the interactive report or interactive grid report. I think I again pick one interactive report instead of interactive grid. I should have chosen this or interactive grid. Okay. So this is interactive grid report, and this report, as of now, looking similar kind of this. Okay. If you forget about this, then the rest of the things are looking same. This button we intentionally not use. We can even, but this is the default report. You can click here, right? You can change this report, but that have to be enabled. Now let's move to this report here, then attributes, editable. Okay, what? Add row, update row, delete row. Add row if empty. Okay, I change this report, and now this report has more functionality. Like you can see, actions is there. Already it was with the interactive report as well. But here you see the edit button, save and add row. These are the, now you can click somewhere and you can edit. But in the interactive, here you can't. And like this is the Shubham. Okay. I said Shubham Sharma. Okay. I'm not changing any date and I just save it. I have not opened any form. I have not did some customization in report or other thing, but at the report level, I have changed. Now you can refresh this report and Shubham Sharma impacted because database has been updated. So that is the beauty of this interactive grid report. There is no need to open some other form and do that actions. You can duplicate a row as well. Like I did this. Okay. I did two and I this. Okay. I can change the dates. I can make it more changes into this. I can say if I need to add new row, I came here on the end, or I can add in the between as well. Here. Okay. So Technofresh. So now this new row will be appear here. This type two row we did na? One we duplicated and the another one we add this one. So I did this on the end it there. I did this the duplicate from this first row. It is there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 reports. These are the 5 reports. Guys, all clear up to now, or is there any query?
Yeah, cleared, Bharat.
Yes, clear.
Hmm. So in interactive grid report, we have many other options. Now I was able to do this. Okay. I can make other conditions there. And based on these conditions, we can make the changes. For say, I want to edit this. I want to allow only to edit that record which are created today. Okay. So what I can do? I open this. Okay. Region. Convert this in SQL query. Okay. This will automatically create a query for me. Here, I'll update one column, right? Decode, update me. I did one column here. What? If truncate created age sysdate, then you else no. Okay. Update or not update like this. There's some error. Let me check.
Sir, trunk there is C missing.
Yes. Still there is one, like one, two, this close, this close.
Sir, in the second trunk there is C missing.
Okay. Do you, see. Okay. Now we come here and add lost update type, allowed row operation column. Here, row operation. What? I can give this one other way. Okay, first I'll check on show only this. Like here, I can take this, update me. Or what help you need, you can see here. Row can be updated, row can be deleted, row can be updated or deleted. Now this row can be updated, but nothing else. Okay. Like this was created today. Okay. We can change. But this was created earlier. You can't. See in the beauty? You can hide this column. Don't need to show that this is updatable or not. Okay. You can come here, came on this and select as hidden. Right? So this, you can change this, but you can do this. You can see even the rows which are editable, these are highlighted. The rows which are not editable, these can't be. And also, when you are working this, you can change here D, or you can give it the UD, like both. Update and delete we can do, or if the only for today, you can only update. Or now I'm just making it once, or even you can make more conditions here. You can't change this, but you can delete this. Okay. But you can't delete this, but you can change this. This deleted. Understand the control, how it doing. Is it okay? Clear?
Yes, brother.
Yeah. You can add more row here. Okay. I have already shown you. You can click here, or you can just edit and all. Like when you created this, then all column are on single click editable. If you did not, right, you can directly double click on any column, and that will be editable. There are more controls on this. Here you can allow this row to delete it or not. Permanently disable this. Nobody can delete this. If you like this, now either it's deletable, but we can't. Okay. Delete is disappeared. There's no option for delete as well. Okay. Then you can authorize, like user can add. Okay. Manager can update that, but admin can delete only. Like a hierarchical role base, that this role can do these actions. Suppose there is an entry, the primary user is entering the data, but changing option is available only for the manager. So manager will able to change. But if there's some issue and we have to delete the record, then he should go to admin. Then admin have that rights. So we can make this type of changes here. But this is non-mandatory. You can do like this, but these are the options. Edit authorization. We can use that. Okay. Then uploading, like if we have the huge data and then loading how it will load like 50 rows, and then whenever you scroll down, it will load more like this pagination. This is lazy loading. Lazy loading, you can understand, specify whether the load the region independently of the data for the region, like this. What happening? Just check if some impact on this small data. Okay, this way. Or if I hide this, then I never use this. So this type. Okay. Appearance, show null value, select first row. And when I did, this is already selected first row. If I unhide, unselect this, that will be row will be not selected like this. Fixed row. Suppose there is a huge data. So now this is a fixed. Okay. And this is not editable, but suppose title. Okay. As of now, this virtual column not allowed here. Okay, I did. There's some size issue there. This is not allowed to edit. So this will allow us to fix height, row height, or we can change this scrolling. Like there's a lot of data, and as we scroll down, it will show us the more. Show total count. We are getting this total 5. We can hide this. When no data found, you can give a message here. Okay. Show the toolbar, search column, search field. This search field is this one. You can search on a specific like this on the search trainer only. But case sensitive search. Okay, all column search. So that way, action menu, reset button, this button. If you have changes some report, then you can click here, then that will be reset. Save button to saving the data. Save public report. Like I have not allowed this report to be saved as a public report because public report will be saved only by admin. But we can authorize a person who can, like this, save public report authorization. Who can save this report? If I authorize an admin that he can made some changes like this, and my report is for my department report. For my department will use the same report. So admin can, I can give authorization to some person or some role. That role, who have that role, he can save it as a public report. Here default, private, and then public. Public report will also display here. Like for example, I give this, okay. Now I will be able to save this report as a public report as well. Report, save as, private, and public. But here you will see only as named report or as a default report. Okay. When you untick this, then you will not see the public report option. So primary is alternative and private. The public is hidden. Or you can't save as a primary report. Primary report always developed by the developer. Downloadable. Okay. Flashback. Define chart. We already discussed about them. If download, even you can give the access to authorize the person that specific person can download this. And there's a four format: Excel, PDF, HTML, and CSV. You can download a report, or you can send it as a email. Okay. Some text you can put here. You can get the separator, CSV separator, like comma, pipe separator, but and like optionally enclosed by that inverted commas. You can give the file name, and here you see that application page item or system variables we can use as a file name. Okay, is a heading fixed to page or fixed to region or none. Show icon, detail view. Here all the help text is there. Then Oracle text index column, like ID, the index or somewhere. Email address from, like you are sending a mail, then you can put some email address here. Where from you are sending, who's sending that mail, and yeah. And some JavaScript you can initialize here. You can give some help text here. This is a page help. Use this attribute to enter the text for the interactive grid. To the entered help text will display along with the default help content under action menu. Okay, let me see. You can use here HTML as well. Under action menu, help. This is a page help. I write this. You can change. These are the by default. Okay, but on the top you can write your help. Like this, you can make some HTML here. My report. This is page help. We did this, and this overview was already there. And this help is available to every page, not only report. But in the reports, you are looking here, seeing here, and in the other way, you can get that help here. There is a page help, that is a report help. But inside, if you are doing some page, then you can give this here. Help text. Okay. So that it will be displayed in this. You can see. So documentation can be handled here only for every page. So that was the difference between classic report, interactive report, and interactive grid report. Any query about the interactive grid report, or any query about any of three reports?
Sir, I have a query.
Yeah, please tell me.
Just like, sir, here we have seen that we can create a report from a table, particular table. But
Mhm.
what if we have to create a complex report, just like from multiple tables? Let's say 10 tables, we have to create a report, different columns. So for that, we need to create a first a view, and after that, call that view.
No, you can
Uh,
direct here, put here.
okay, like joining other tables, we can create.
Yes.
Okay, sir.
This is very simple, na? And nothing to worry about that. This is exactly the SQL developer, you can say. You can make a query here. Okay, make the
Okay, sir.
joins and other things. Whatever you want to play with the queries, you can do. This is very much supportive application. No need to worry about anything.